everybody. Woody's had a problem. The front motor has stopped working properly, and I think it's something to do with the hall wire sensors, not suspenders, that's another thing altogether. But the hall wire sensors seem to be played up and the motor's not running properly. So would you like to have a look around the workshop and I'll show you where the problem is? Right, here we go. As you can see, I like to keep a few tools around. My favourite tools have to be angle grinders and my lovely welders. I've got two welders which I really like quite a lot. The colour driller comes in pretty useful as well. As you can see, I'm a sort of tool sort of guy. In fact, my wife says I'm a bit of a right tool. She says that quite often. This is Woody getting ready for a bit of major surgery, I suppose. I've disconnected the front wires already. Those are the power wires. This is the hall sensor wires, and I've bought this gorgeous little thing which is going to test the coils, the windings in the motor on the front wheel, and it also tests the sensors. Right, that's going to be today's job, which I'll do a video of if you like, and you can have a look a bit later on. This is the top, and as you can see, Woody is hanging off the table. If I get round, you can see. This gives me a chance, because I'm going to drop the forks out. I want to get the wheel off because I'm changing the tyre. The tyre has worn rather badly in one particular spot, and it's got a flat spot and it makes a noise when you're driving along. So I'm going to put a new tyre on that, which is yet to come. It's ordered on eBay. You order stuff on eBay and you have to wait. This is my workshop, and this is, as those that know, this is Woody's back end. There's 800 watt motor in that wheel, there's an 800 watt motor in that wheel. You need those tyres, and I looked at Woody in some of the pictures and I thought the mud guards were too high. They were up here, so I wanted to lower them, so I made a new bracket and dropped the mud guards by 6 inches. That's a front bracket that I made to hold the mud guards, and there's another little bracket down there that fixes it to the running boards, nice and solid. But it's allowed me to put these these things in. These lights, I mean, there isn't a rule that says mobility scooters have to have small lights. These are commercial vehicle lights and more commonly found on a 7.5 ton lorry or a transit flatbed or something like that. But on this, they are fantastic. I love them to bits. Those are the charge points, 3142. It's the batteries, 4 individual batteries on Woody, and I've got 4 individual charge points, so I can charge all 4 batteries up quite quick. I shortened the length by moving the case back a little bit, where you can now see the gorgeous suspension units. Right, this has got to come off, that's got to come off, the case is going to come off, seats coming off. So I'll show you a video of the wiring inside there, and this is where the controllers live, so I can change one of the controllers, which I think I've got to do. Just as a quick, everything I've got is on wheels, so I can shift things around. Nice big TV, but I use it more as a radio than anything else. A few other extra bits and pieces. This is my heater that keeps the workshop nice and warm, and this is where I charge all the batteries on. That battery is actually running that heater. Right, oh, let's put the lights on so you can have a look. Got to see this. put some power on. Have a look at this. Isn't that fantastic? I love this. I'm just going to put this camera on the side. How's that? I'm going to put the brakes on. Hang on a second. This is the indicators. These are directional. And brakes. Isn't that great? And love to be seen, and I don't think anybody will miss that. Just turn the lights off. And let's have a look at the front. Everywhere's covered in dust, and I always get a thick layer of dust in here because I do like a bit of woodwork, and this old lathe, which is 1.5 centuries old, I've modernised and brought it up to date with some electronics and a DC motor, which is quite powerful, and but it creates a lot of dust over everything. Anyway, come and have a look at the front lights. So there we have it. Quite a bit of work to do on changing tyres, fixing the problem with the electronics, and I'll try and do a video of pieces when I've got all this taken apart, so you can have a look. That's the famous temperature readout on the batteries. Okay guys, hope that's okay, and I will see you, hang on a second. Oh, every workshop has to have a fridge where you keep the beer. Don't tell the wife. And there we go folks, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.